Assalamualaikum and peace upon you. Today video we are about to share how to measure ohmmeter using multimeter, and my name is Hawani Binti Osman and my ID number is 01DEP25F1043. Before using a multimeter, we need to perform a zero adjustment. Select the 1K range for ohmmeter. Touch the probe together and make sure the pointer touch 0, or do a little adjustment and make sure it touch 0.
The second step is to start with the highest ohm range. This is important because a pointer may not move correctly or may swing too far, also giving us an inaccurate reading. At the same time, we can protect the meter from damage. The third step is to choose a range where the resistance value will be near the middle of the scale. At this stage, it is also important to perform the zero adjustment again. This ensures that the pointer is correctly calibrated, so the reading will be accurate. The fourth step is to place the probes across the component that you want to measure. Sometimes, you can power it off before measuring resistance. Measuring resistance on a live circuit can damage the multimeter and give incorrect results. The fifth and final step is to read the pointer position on the scale. When the probes are connected to the component, the pointer will move to indicate the resistance value. Make sure to read the correct scale for ohms and observe carefully when the needle is pointing. First of all, measuring resistance should always be done on a circuit with no power. If you try to measure resistance in a live circuit, the multimeter might get damaged or give false reading. Next, when measuring with an analog multimeter, the way we connect the probes depends on what we want to measure. For current measurement, the multimeter must be connected in series with the circuit. For voltage measurement, the multimeter must be connected in parallel with the component. Furthermore, be certain the multimeter is switched to AC before measuring AC circuits. Most multimeters have both AC and DC settings. Using the wrong one will give us an accurate result. Moreover, observe the proper DC polarity when measuring DC values. Analog multimeters are polarity sensitive. Reserving the probes can cause the needle to move backward.
After we finish using a multimeter, select to off and take off the probes. Then, always start with the highest voltage or current range. This prevents the needle from swinging too far and damaging the meter. Adjust the zero ohm reading after changing resistance range and before measuring resistance. This is because analog meters need calibration for accuracy and resistance mode. Example, touch the two probes together, then use the adjustment knob to set the pointer exactly to 0 before measuring the actual resistance. Be certain to read AC measurements on the AC scale of the multimeter. The scale is different from AC and DC. If using the wrong one, it will give errors.